In this chapter of our tutorial, we are going to be dealing with the topic phrase. As we have on the board, a phrase is a group of words without a subject and a final verb. A phrase is a group of words without a subject and a final verb. What is a subject? A subject can be defined as a doer of an action expressed in a sentence. A subject can be defined as a doer of an action expressed in a sentence. And we can also have another definition of a subject, which is a subject is the head of a sentence. A subject is the head of a sentence. Now, for example, Bayo slapped the girl. In this case, the verb in the sentence is slapped, and the doer of this action, which is slap, the doer of this action is what? Bayo, which is the subject of the sentence. This is the subject of the sentence, and this is the action in the sentence. So the doer of this action is called a subject. Now, if you should have something like this, Bayo is rude. Bayo is rude. Here we are having a verb, but the verb is not expressing an action. This is the reason why we have two definitions of a subject. Sometimes a verb performs action or express an action, and sometimes a verb may not express an action. Mostly all auxiliary verbs don't perform or express action. So when they are used in a sentence as a final verb, we consider the subject of the verb to be acting as a head of the sentence, not the doer of an action, because there is no action being performed in this sentence. But in this case, we say this is the doer of the action in the sentence. But here we have no action, so we say this is the head of the sentence. A verb may perform action, and when it is performing action, the subject is considered the doer, and a verb may not perform action, and when it is not performing action, the subject in the sentence is considered the head of the sentence. Now, the type of a phrase can be determined in two ways. A phrase can be determined in two ways. One is based on structure, by structure, while the second way of determining the type of phrase is by its function. Here we are going to be explaining phrases based on structure, and in our future classes or in the next class we'll be explaining phrases based on function. So types of phrases based on structures, or types of phrases by structures. We have 8 different types of phrases by structures. The first type of phrase is noun phrase. Number 2, verb phrase. 3, gerund phrase. 4, participial phrase. 5, infinitive phrase. 6, adjective phrase. 7, adverbial phrase. And the last one, which is 8, prepositional phrase. These are the 8 types of phrases by structure. Now, in the structure of a phrase, we always have something called the head of a phrase. The head of a phrase determines the type of phrase we're having. If the head of a phrase is a noun, or if it is a nominal entity, we consider that type of phrase to be what? A noun phrase. If the head of a phrase is a verb, we consider it to be a verb phrase. If it is a gerund, we consider it a gerund phrase. Now, in the next class, we'll be explaining different types of phrase based on structure, like each type of phrase based on structure in the next class. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you. Like, comment, and share this video. Thank you.